Here's the new car. 1988 Accord LX-i Coupe. Just changed the clutch, rod bearings, main bearings, oil, all that fun stuff, flywheel. It's got beautiful tires on it. The LS mesh rims need to be cleaned up a bit. Car's pretty damn clean. Well, it's dirty right now, but you know what I mean. Oxidation on the roof. Hoping to clay bar and buff it out. Leather interior. Seams are coming undone at the top, but otherwise it's in pretty good shape. Driver's seat has 2 rips right there, and coming undone at the seam. Batteries are getting low, so hopefully I can finish this video. Let's fire her up. Needs a valve adjustment. But I got a new timing belt kit for it, so I'll do the valve adjustment then. But yeah, no more rod knot. Got the old mains over here. And the old rod bearings weren't bad. They're all dirty because it's been windy. But I changed them anyway. The old clutch was toasted. The AC system was screwed, so I removed it. Put a little intake on it. Came with the blaster coil. The radio that came with it. There's the clay bar. New ground strap. Went all the way up to San Francisco to get this car. I'm a forum member on 3Gs. Yeah, I think it was worth every cent I paid for it. She runs fantastic now. See if the camera will let me take a quick drive. I'll stop this video.